Okay, first question's pretty easy. Why do you like working here?
It definitely feels like you're working with someone. Every day doesn't feel like you're clocking in to just work for somebody.
Every day you've got a different customer, you've got a different person, a different job, so you're not stuck doing the same thing. You know, you got basements, pool decks, porches, people to see, different places to go, so it's a change of environment, which is really nice too.
Everywhere you go, you hear people saying, oh, it's Monday again, you know, that's not us.
The customer's reaction, and their satisfaction with the work that we do. It makes the work feel worth it. Definitely the way they can come out and see a ruined garage floor and we can make it better.
That reminds me, what's it like working with the customers here?
It's amazing. The customers get to go out to their homes before the guys do the install, see their beautiful homes, talk to them, get to know them. That's one of the great things they like about us is we let them know from the beginning to the end that they're part of the whole process. Our customers are just ecstatic with the product that we produce for them.
I had customers 2 days ago. I had to pull back up to their house to leave a yard sign, and they were both just standing out there smiling. When I walked back up, they were embarrassed because they were like, you just caught us standing in front of our floor just staring at it because it's just so pretty.
What makes this different from other jobs you've had in the past?
I literally dreaded waking up at my last job versus here, and I like what I do. I wouldn't say it's easy, but it's manageable, I'm fun, I'm learning something new every single day versus my last job, doing a repetition of stuff I just did not care for.
You go to a job site, you can make your own decisions, you have to tackle certain situations, and like you and your guy that you are working with every day, that like you grow a close bond with most of these guys. You build a family within that workplace, and this place actually feels like a home. It feels like family, and that is way different than any other job.
We come in, we make our coffee, we get going, you know?
Yeah.
And yeah, there are bad things we have to deal with and things that, yeah, we don't necessarily want to do, but like, because we have those connections with each other, we can do it.
All right, real question. What's your boss like?
Lee doesn't just focus on what we're netting from them every month. He's focused on their personal growth as much as their professional growth.
Lee takes his role personal. He likes to get to know everybody. He wants to know everything about you so he can relate to you or find something to relate to you. So the family environment's like really nice. It's probably one of my favorite things about the company.
He's the most genuine person I've ever met in my life, and past bosses, all they care about is the money that they're gonna make. They don't ever go into, what are my guys doing after work? How do I take care of them after work?
He'll go out of his way to help each and every one. He's changed my life. I can honestly say that he has helped me in my life and my personal life to be better.
Final question. Do you love your job?
Absolutely.
That's what our shirts say.
Yeah, genuinely I do. I love the people, I love my boss, I love the atmosphere of what I do, seeing the growth in this company and seeing how we're just opening up opportunities for so many people, and just being able to grow this whole community for your one-day floor is just amazing.
Yes.
I love my job.
Yeah, I absolutely do not plan on leaving.
Yeah. I also love my job.